Hello friends, today we are making this nice and easy Easter egg. You can make an egg as it is, or you can make an egg for a hanging purpose. It's a step-by-step tutorial, beginner friendly. I hope you will like it, so let's start the video. I'm using 2.5 mm hook size. Make magic ring. Chain 3, and make treble crochet around magic ring. Treble crochet, we will not count the first chain, and now we have a 2 treble crochet, three, 4, 5, and 6. Seven, 8, 9, and 10. Pull the yarn a bit and crochet 7 more treble crochet. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and the last 17. We will not count the first chain, and we have a 17 double treble crochet around the magic ring. Now pull this yarn like this and make slip stitch in this first chain. Make slip stitch, and the egg yolk is ready. Now for the next part we will use white yarn. Make slip stitch, and pull the yarn through from the back side, and so pull the yellow yarn, cut the yarn. Now we will work with the white part. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4 and make double treble crochet, double treble crochet in the first chain. Keep these two yarns together and make a double treble crochet. Like this. Now make once more double treble crochet in the same chain. Two double treble crochet in the same chain. Now make once more double treble crochet in the next chain. And one treble crochet in the same chain. We will not count the first chain. Two double treble crochet in the same chain. In the next chain we have a one double treble crochet and one treble crochet in the same chain. Now we will make two treble crochet in the same chain. One and two. We have a two treble crochet in the same chain, and now we will make double crochet, one and two. We will make a two double crochet in the same chain. Again two double crochet in this chain, two double crochet, this chain, two double crochet, two double crochet, two double crochet. Now we will make a one double crochet and one treble crochet in the same chain. Again two treble crochet in this chain, treble crochet, two treble crochet in this chain, 1, 2, here, we will make a 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the same chain, double crochet, again make 2 double crochet in same chain, 1, 2, 2 double crochet in next chain, 1 and 2, again 2 last double crochet in same chain, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in this chain and make 1 treble crochet in the same chain. Now make double treble crochet in the next chain, make a double treble crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet, 2 double treble crochet in the same chain, double treble crochet, the next chain, and once more double treble crochet in the last chain. Now make a slip stitch in the first chain, and the egg is ready. Now if you want to make just an egg, you just need to chain 1, lock and cut the yarn. Or if you want to make single hanging eggs, so you can just chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Chain 12. This is the front side and this is the back side of your work, and this is the first loop. You just need to make slip stitch here. If you want a longer chain, so you can chain as long as you like, and in the end you just need to chain 1 and cut the yarn. And it's ready to hang. Between this first chain. You just need to pull the yarn down like this. Need to secure it once more here. Secure it inside with the help of a needle like this. Hang. And this is the back side of your work, and this is the front side. Now the hanging egg is ready. I like to give you another idea. I have made this cute hanging bunnies. You can make a hanging eggs as well. You just need to give it a nice space in between. You can add a one bunny, one egg, or you just can simply make a hanging eggs. It is nice and easy to make. You can just hang a single egg, or you can make a multiple of this egg and make a two different hanging eggs decoration. I hope you like it. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Visit my playlist Crochet Tutorials. Till the next video. Bye.